Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to remove this, replace the LED here. So just like try to just not use the further edge, just use the near edge here, because like all the clip is actually on this side. So you just put your tool, remove tool here. Don't use screwdriver, just use this part. Okay, just do this. Okay, so that's how we do it. It's off. Now what you do is just like you need some effort to pull off the bolt. And then replace it with the LED. But I just got these LED from the pawn shop. It's only like 50 pence. So you see it's working already. So I'm going to remove this one as well. Is that it? So it's all working. Okay, it's all working already. So to put it back, you need to put the cover back here. Just put this side first. Don't put this side first, because you see, if you see that, oops, you see that all the clips is actually on the long edge here. So there's no clip here. So you have to put it in this way, and then you have to slightly bend it because there's two clips here as well. So just slightly bend it in. Oops. Okay, done. All done. Okay, well, if you just want to replace the LED, you can stop here the video, and I'm going to show you how to do the real lighting. I mean the interior lighting from the back. I just like bought some. I got some LED strip that I left over from the from home. That's a leftover bit. So I actually, what I did is I solder iron that the white color, because this is like multicolor, you can do different colors. This I solder iron the white color and the positive there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it into here behind these things, and then link it, wire it all the way over to the back. So I'm going to do another video on that. I mean on the back of this video. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this compartment. It's all locked up here, so but there's only like 2 screws you need to undo. So open this glass holders, and then try to be in the last one. That's in. So okay, so let's see. Okay, there's 2 screws there. What you need to unscrew them. I'm going to put my screwdriver in. Shouldn't do this one way. Okay. If you can see it. It's all off already. Okay, right, now what you need to do is put this back up. Just get the trim remover again. You open it from here. Oops. You see something seems like clipping there. You just have to gently open it. There's a clip there, so have to be a little bit careful with that. So you see that's why it's not coming off, because like you got this one and this one. So the whole thing actually come off already. So what you can do now, you can actually hot wire these two things and then link the LED strip all the way to the back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this thing and put the whole wire in from here. You see all my cables is here as well. So what I'm planning is my LED will come off from here, stick in here, and then go back. And so I got like LED in this place and LED in that place. Let's see if it's going to work. Okay, this one I made it myself, is from the scrap, so yeah, it's cost nothing. And this is like RJE for the Cat5 cables. The hardest thing is you have to put it through from here to the other side of the car. Let's see how does it go. Okay, got it. So if you put it like this here, and just like probably stick it all the way over to the side. I hope I got a long enough one, because I never measured the actual length of it. So I've removed the back plastic as well, so I'm going to put this through like this. I'm going to put the thing over here. I've got a scissors. I'm going to just like stop it here because, whoops, you see that I can actually just put the LED inside there and just put it in there. I'm gonna actually try to put it all the way to the back. It looked nice, but no, I just make it simple now. And the camera is really like on the way, so let me measure the length of this. Yeah, I'm going to cut a little bit on just lift there. Make sure I got more roots.
I'm going to stop this too. Yeah. Okay, when it's all stuck up, it should look nice. Nick. always better to do from inside. So if you put the strip in here, in the actual piece, and then you just put that back in, and you should get a really nice finish. Yep, probably not hide too much.
Okay, right. So I'm going to connect the positive to the positive wire and the negative to the negative there. So probably I'll just turn it off first before I'm going to look any sparking. So okay, that's all clip it. Let's see, is it lighting? Yep, there's lighting. Good. So I'm going to do exactly the same for the other side. Well, before that, I'm going to put this back on. More visible. So regarding to the LED strip, everyone asking me where do I get it from? It's actually I got it left over from the previous project. Is a 6-pin LED, but what you exactly need, you just need a 2-pin one, which is like only white or yellow, whatever colors you want. So just soldering iron it, and because it's 12 volts, so it's work directly. And yeah, because my soldering iron skill is super poor, so I didn't do any videos on it, and probably I just take some pictures and show you how it's actually finished, and will be quite good enough. So hope you guys enjoy watching it. Thank you very much.